Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Hi. So you want to know more about how to barbecue spare ribs? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to barbecue spare ribs is barbecueinstitute.com. See the page titled How to Barbecue Ribs / Barbecue Institute, How to Barbecue, Barbecue. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site 2161779.r.msn.com, especially the page Barbecue Spare Ribs, Barbecue Spare Ribs Info. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see 1376390.r.msn.com. The web page Barbecue Pork Ribs Recipe, Barbecue Pork Ribs Recipe. This is the link.